Hello guys, we're playing Hello, but 99 Hello, but na in real life.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who will be the deer?
Me.
No, me. Okay, si Jacob. Sino mag-Jacob? Si Jacob yung owl or ram? Pili ka, Jacob.
Huwag na yung owl.
Okay, siya yung owl.
Ay, gusto ko yung kambing.
Ram? Yung
Ram?
nasa laba? Yung ram!
Ram. Yung,
Wag na yung
tayo yung dalawa.
ram ako.
No.
Sige.
Ayoko mag-isa.
Si Jacob na lang yung yung deer.
Ikaw na yung deer, please.
Sige na nga!
O sa gabi ka umaga pa lang. Kukuha ko wood.
Mag-get lakad lang Pwede mga atake yun!
Chew.
Ano?
Chew.
Ano yun?
Chew.
Ayun!
I will give a bunny puta.
Hoy! May... Got some love
bunny food. There was a bunny food.
Okay, the campfire is complete. Ay! Gabi na daw! Gabi na daw! Oh no! I have a flashlight! Me too!
We're both camper. Now she's now it's morning. It's day now.
Wait, Jacob!
No, it's day.
Jacob!
It's umaga na.
Jacob!
Umaga na, doon ka na tayo.
Jacob! Kapag may flashlight ang umaga, magaganito ka.
Gaganito ka tapos aalis ka na. Chew.
Oh, task! I got a spear!
It's already night.
You see bunny here. I got a bunny food!
I have a bunny food.
It's stronghold!
And now it's day to watch a page reader. Oh, there is it.
Close it!
Good axe.
I got a
Here's the
bear!
bear.
I got a good duck! Ay, may player daw kayong hacker! Ako! Ikaw na
Ako yung deer.
Gusto ko na ako yung owl! Okay, kunin mo lang yung owl. Ako yung hacker! Nalipad daw ako!
Tayong dalawa, hacker, please.
Okay! Bestia!
Okay, I will put an
Owl!
Chew.
Scrap into the...
I'm the owl. Now you're there.
Oy! Nandun pala ako sa ice! Oh no! Cultists are coming! Let's kill them! Here's the deer! Deer!
Now you're dead.
Flashlight! I'm the deer! Flashlight! Robot deer daw ako! Hindi! Pwede yun! Hindi! Uy! Nag-iba na yan! Ano? Nag-iba na. May chicken na yun sa deer ko.
I-head na natin yung deer.
Okay.
Atin, nagkamatay na yung deer. Diba? Noon yung deer. Nakaganito, nakaganon. Head ka doon, nakaganito ka.
We're going get the bandage.
There was a bandage here.
I'm getting flashlight. Bandage.
And some.
I got a bandage too.
I will get some food. Hey, Mama.
Perfect.
Now we have a friend. It's a friend.
We need some food. Let's get some
You
food.
can sit there.
video on YouTube.
No.
What?
I don't know.
There. It's easy. Come on.
Some food.
Okay. Here's some
Bye-bye.